Good morning, guys. It is a glorious Monday, and today we're finally doing something kind of significant to the C8 Corvette. We are going to be wrapping the roof. We're going to be wrapping the pillars and the top part, and we actually are going to be probably wrapping right around here on the top of the quarter window. For sure, the contrast is going to make this car look just a little bit different when it's coming down the road. You tie that in with the black mirrors, upgrade the wheels, the Z06 wing. I think it's going to turn out really, really good. Without further ado, we have to move my fiance's Prius. We got to get the Corvette warmed up, and we got to drive it all the way out to French Valley, which isn't too far, but it is far enough, and I'm supposed to be there at 9, and we're going to be fashionably late. So let's get going. Good morning. Prius moved. I'm 5 minutes late. We have to get to Bust Down Automotive to get this car into the shop to get the roof wrapped. Let's go. We are on our way. That was close. We need to get a wider lens because this camera is not fully cutting it. So guys, we are here at Bust Down Automotive. Huge shout out for Jason for hooking me up to do the wrap on the C8. We've been talking about doing something to this car for a minute now, and his shop is so sick. We got the hexagon lights. When we see this car next time, it is going to have a different personality, and this is just the start, Jason. We might wrap the whole car, do PPF wrap on the whole rest of the car later on. I'm super stoked to see how this turns out.
Oh yeah, it's gonna come out really nice, brother. You about to see right now.
C8 is dropped off. It's getting its roof wrapped right now. We have a few things to do, but I cannot wait to get back to that car to see what it looks like. Alright guys, so we are picking up the C8 at Bust Down Automotive, and I gotta hand it to you. They did an excellent job. It looks crazy. It completely changed the vibe of the car. You have the contrast with the black and the white. It matches the side scoops, the side skirts, the wheels. The whole car ties in together, especially with the tinted back rear window with the engine bay. I honestly have to say, there's no way I could have done this. You guys killed it.
Glad you like it.
Wow. And then maybe, just maybe, we're going to come back and we're thinking about wrapping the car or putting a protective PPF on the rest of the car. We're maybe thinking purple, maybe thinking vampire red. But I mean, underneath these hexagon lights, the white is just popping. This car looks so good at night. White cars just pop at night. They pop during the day, and it's just such a neutral personality. I think we could whip it like this for a little while. We're going to get the keys, we're going to turn her on, and we're going to head home. So we officially made it back home. This guy, ladies and gentlemen, took so much time and attention to detail to wrapping the simple part of the pillars and the roof of the C8 Corvette. Look at this. This car looks like a spaceship now. It's a completely different personality. I mean, I don't even recognize it, honestly. Like, obviously you get used to seeing a car a certain way for so long, like 6 months. But now we have the pillars right here. In the daytime we'll film another video, but we're trying to stay committed to the channel. The pillars wrapped perfectly. Over the windshield, tucked perfectly. The roof was done perfectly. Now this is probably the most tricky part. Right here over all these pieces and through the rubber, and then right here to make that line so perfect underneath the quarter window. This car looks completely different, and this is just the start of the modifications. Now it actually looks like a different Corvette, like a Corvette that pops out. But I was thinking of doing like Lamborghini purple, maybe vampire red, even maybe yellow. But now looking at this car with the white, we already have the white C8, we have the white Supra, heck, we even have a white Prius. So I think the white army is what we're going to have to do. We were driving through Temecula and I saw a BMW M2 white with a black roof. I was like, that looks nice. And then now looking at this car right here, oh man, I mean, what more could you ask for? There's a lot we could do. I was also thinking about doing the roof, or not the roof, the hood black, but I don't know, I feel like it would just be too much. Like, I feel like right now It doesn't look riced out. It looks perfect. The stock wheels right now are good, but for sure with the side splitter right here, these kind of pop out. I don't know. I think we should just get a little bit wider wheels, a little bit different design. It is truly incredible how something so simple could change something so much. But on that caveat, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, because I do want to really make this YouTube channel something special. I love cars. I love cars. I love being around cars. I love talking to you guys about cars, and I want you guys to see my cars grow, and I want to do it for you guys. So leave a comment down below. What do you want to see? What do you want to see on the C8 Corvette? What do you want to see on the Supra? Do you want to see wheels? Do you want to see a wrap? Do you want to see carbon fiber? Do you want racing headers on this car? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to do. The Supra, we for sure are going to either get a Tomei exhaust or FI exhaust. That car needs to sound a little bit more raw. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way up to the end. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. We're gonna go enjoy this C8. See you next time.